First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurates Polo Shopping Complex and interacts with PMIS interns. Meghalaya Cabinet approved Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy 2025. Meghalaya Cabinet approved 3 new rules to implement the revamped criminal laws. And Olivia Dakar honoured in Joy for National Arm Wrestling and Para Arm Wrestling Championship success. The news in detail. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman arrived in Shalong for a 4-day visit where she was warmly welcomed by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and other officials. She inaugurated Polo Shopping Complex, a project under Smart City Mission, and interacted with PMIS interns at Courtyard Marriott. Her visit marks an important engagement in the Northeast, with discussions expected on financial matters concerning the region.
Also, our Chief Minister on stage.
Join Shalong in the smart city. So with that, now we are inaugurating one of the bigger projects. This is another project, 200 crores business center, which is under construction. Another 1 year, this will be ready. This is
The Meghalaya Cabinet has approved the Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy 2025, aiming to position the state as a leading destination for national and international filmmakers. Cabinet chaired by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Tourism Minister Paul Lingdor and other ministers, the policy offers subsidies up to 1 crore rupees or 25% of production cost for films that conduct 75% of shooting in Meghalaya's scenic outdoor locations. To foster local talent, films in Khasi, Panar and Garo languages are eligible for subsidies up to 50 lakh rupees every 2 years. A film facilitation cell will be established to streamline production involving key departments like tourism, art and culture and DIPR.
The state government, in the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister and myself, had released the Meghalaya Draft Film Tourism Policy 2025, where we had given a clarion call to all stakeholders to come forward, study the draft and give us their valuable inputs. We are happy to share with you that we received over 200 such inputs from various stakeholders who are interested in the film industry, and more especially from local film makers and film producers.
In a major step towards modernizing its justice system, the Meghalaya Cabinet has approved 3 new rules to implement the revamped criminal laws: Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita and Bharatiya Sakshiya Adhiniyam, which took effect nationwide on July 1, 2024. Announced by Home Police Department Commissioner Cyril V. Dingdor, the approved rules include E-Sakshiya Management Rules 2025 enables secure uploading of electronic evidence via a mobile app linked to CCTNS and ICJS. Electronic Process Issuance Rules 2025 facilitates e-summons and e-warrants through digital platforms. Community Service Guidelines 2025 allows courts to assign community service for minor offences.
These rules have been provided, the model rules, by the Government of India, the Ministry of Home Affairs, and after due consultation with the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, which is required as per the procedure, with their consent, the Cabinet today has approved these 3 new criminal rules, which I will elaborate upon. The first is called the Meghalaya E-Sakshya Management Rules 2025. The second rule that the Honorable Cabinet approved today was the Meghalaya Electronic Processes Issuance, Service and Execution Rules 2025 is called the Meghalaya Guidelines for Community Services 2025.
In a move aimed at enhancing transparency and speeding up recruitment, the Meghalaya's cabinet has approved the discontinuation of interviews for all Group D posts across the state, effective from October 1st, 2025. MDA spokesperson and Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh informed that the decision was taken during a cabinet meeting chaired by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma.
Proposed discontinuation of interview for Group D posts is in conformity with our well-established policy of ensuring maximum transparency in the recruitment process to various posts, beginning with Group D posts. This is also as part of our compliance to instructions of the Government of India in the Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India.
Deputy Chief Minister and Urban Affairs Minister Sngau Bhalang Dhar announced on Wednesday that the government has launched efforts to relocate street hawkers to ease traffic and improve pedestrian mobility in Shalong. Alongside this move, plans for new parking spaces near key areas such as the Secretariat, Moitpran and Polo Market are being finalized. Dhar stated that the parking strategy, capable of accommodating over 1,000 vehicles, aims to establish a formal system to address rising traffic pressure.
The traffic, so at least our people can move smoothly. I know my peoples, they never go against the government because we are on their behalf. We will try to help them to put them to the right place. Okay, maybe court orders defense is there, but hopefully they are all civilized, they are all people understand things. I request them personally from my side to cooperate with the government. We will try to put them in the right place. Yes, maybe it's not possible to give them a good place up to the mark like how they expected. But especially me as a minister, I will work in such a manner, so slowly I will try to put them in the right place.
Meghalaya Chief Minister and NPP Chief Conrad K. Sangma convened a review meeting on Wednesday to assess development projects and constituencies represented by party MLAs. Deputy Chief Minister Sngau Bhalang Dhar confirmed that the meeting centered on developmental efforts. Dhar noted that a similar review is planned for NPP legislators from Jaintia Hills. Amid speculation about a cabinet reshuffle, Dhar remarked that the decision rests with the Chief Minister.
Some part of the meeting, some representation from the MLA and with the CM. This is not a things. Some discussion with the particular constituency only. I was not a part of that. They are discussing about a developmental activity scheme with their respective constituency. We are yet to meet from this side, from Jaintia Hills constituency. That is a discussion.
Power Minister A.T. Mondal on Wednesday acknowledged frequent power outages in Shalong and other parts of Meghalaya, attributing them to high wind conditions. He assured that the department is actively addressing faults and ongoing repairs in affected areas. While scheduled outages are usually announced in advance, Mondal noted that sudden disruptions are harder to notify. On the state's below-average rainfall, the minister remained optimistic, urging citizens not to worry and expressing hope for improved weather conditions ahead.
You must be seeing that last couple of days, there is a high wind in Shillong and also other parts of the states. Because of that, some fault is occurring. We are into this situation. Definitely we'll take care of it. No, as of now, it's very difficult to say. We are not in that situation yet. As of now, we are okay. Let us hope that things will be okay. No, yeah, climate will change any day. Don't worry. Don't be pessimist.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh announced plans to develop five-star resort in Sora and Umyam under the PPP model, with bids opening soon and project work expected to begin within this financial year. The government is also set to introduce glamping sites, blending outdoor adventure with luxury. Additionally, the Polo Orchid Resort in Tura will be redeveloped to include 100 rooms. On governance matters, Lyngdoh shared that the government is revisiting the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act following discussions with the governor, who raised two queries.
We are also starting something unique and new to Meghalaya, which is glamping sites, where we have identified plots at Sora and at Umyam, and we will be able to see that these glamping sites are also taken up within this current financial year.
The District Development Coordination and Monitoring Committee meeting took place at the Circuit House, Tura, today, led by MP Shalong A. Sangma. Officials from various departments, including Vibhor Agarwal, SDO, BDOs and line departments, presented updates on the schemes such as the Food Security Act, Swachh Bharat Mission and the Jal Jeevan Mission. Shalong Sangma urged for effective grassroots implementation of central schemes, ensuring direct benefit to citizens. The meeting addressed issues around fraudulent MGNREGS job card enrollments in Demdema block, currently under investigation, and discussed preparations for the upcoming Garo Labour Code Day celebration on July 16. Olivia Dakhar of Karnar village, East Jantia Hills, received a hero's welcome at Wamintudu Bridge on Wednesday for her stellar performance at the 2025 National Arm Wrestling and Para Arm Wrestling Championship held at Thrissur, Kerala. Representing Meghalaya, she bagged 2 golds in the youth right and left hand categories and a silver in the senior right hand category. The facilitation, led by Jantia Arm Wrestling Association General Secretary Priti Lyngdoh and Assistant General Secretary Ronchor Shulai, also recognized fellow participant Riphatki Sayo. Olivia expressed deep gratitude to her supporters, especially her father.
Hadut bahitan yung jam hadut trachnong trakau wada chlor wada lemyo ki hadu ati bisa tu lain mau wadu emkam andre de ki te jingwai te jing chlor wai tin wakalam ki penman ki kemensin yang akaw he kro wa Kenya wadu semena wada emlangki.
The weather report. Firstly, let's take a quick look at the report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 23 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 28 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 73% and rainfall was recorded at 7 millimeter. Moving on to Shalong, minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 24 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 73% and rainfall was recorded at 8 millimeter. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 77% and rainfall was recorded at 8 millimeter. The forecast in Tura, Shalong and July says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurates Polo Shopping Complex and interacts with PMIS interns. Meghalaya Cabinet approved Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy 2025. Meghalaya Cabinet approved 3 new rules to implement the revamped criminal laws. And Olivia Dakar honored in Joy for National Arm Wrestling and Para Arm Wrestling Championship success. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.